factors also that has led people to to put up their faith and trust in our party. Yes. So we'll talk again. You know.
Jadi gajit siya daw tong Paidbah ba ni bentuk buat ban yo tam ma pia do ban nem ta ya fasang
Kajing it kari kawai bat kajing tang kajing angut kajing Paidbah ubah la badong ubalang ya ubah khaj ubah jelap ya ke politik ke ba ya ke sinsyari ke Snem apa
kalau dah piwan kita
Doctor, you're leading by a huge margin. As of the latest trend, you're leading by a huge margin. So how do you give it?
Well, thank God for that news, and thank God for the support that people are giving us, and we look forward to us. Still a long way, so we wait for the final result, and we will, I think, give a comment once the final results are out.
Was it expected? This kind
As a
of
party, we do expect for a good result, and so the early trend, I believe, it goes in line with the thinking of the party. Well, I believe that people, they fed up with the kind of politics that we've had in our state for quite some time now, and people want change, and they see in us that we are a party with a difference that we've been saying, and so this is the result, I believe, of the longing of the people. So we look forward for fulfill the dreams and aspiration of the people for the change which they have been looking forward to.